Today, I'm going to show you how to make a half-square triangle with additional pieced elements. For the example, I'm going to be using the corner unit from block 8 of the 2018 Christmas Countdown. This one has a little square pieced onto a rectangle, and then it has a triangle that goes with it in that same background color. Now, whenever you've got your rectangle and square sewn together, you're ready to take the triangle and you're going to match it to both ends of that square, and you're going to sew right along that line, and it ends up looking like that. Once you get to this step, you can see it goes with this half of this fabric, and so to get that, I need to trim this bit here. So I have the pieced element of my half-square triangle all put together, and I'm ready to trim. I have a ruler here that has a 45-degree angle line right to the point. I love using these whenever I trim because it lets me get exactly right angle. So I'm lining up that 45-degree line along the bottom of the pieced element. I'm getting it all lined up, so all that just goes right to that edge. When I've got it perfectly lined up at 45 degrees, I take my rotary cutter and I trim. Once I have it trimmed, I'm ready to sew the half-square triangle. So I've got my large side of the half-square triangle, and I'm going to lay it over my pieced side, and I'm lining them up along the short sides of the triangle so that they're even. That assures me that once I sew that seam, both sides are going to be even in my half-square triangle, since we're not really going to get a chance to size this at all. Once I sew that line, you can see with this one that I've already done, that it's all lined up. You can even see here where lining up perfectly at the ends. I had a little bit of extra just because of how the machine kind of got quirky on me, but that's okay because those two matching is more important. And then I'm able to place my ruler over it, see that it's exactly the 2 inches I need that unit to be, and I've pieced a pieced element half-square triangle. I hope that helps you, and thanks for watching. That'll do.